Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you all fine. So today's video topic is lambda expressions. What are lambda expressions? Lambda expressions provide you a way to declare function inside a function directly. You can pass this function to another function as an argument. Okay, so let's start declaring our lambda expression, our first lambda expression. In order to declare your first lambda expression, uh, you have to write a keyword auto. Okay, and provide a name. uh, this this could be x, and now start beginning our lambda expression writing. In order to write your lambda expression, you have to first provide it a capture clause. In order to provide a capture clause, you have to write square brackets. After that, you have to provide parentheses. In parentheses, you can provide any number of arguments. Okay, we are going to declare one, and after that write your curly braces, and you also have to provide it a return type. If you want to provide a return type, you can do that in this way. Okay, this function is going to return an integer, and we want to return it whatever a is, add 10 to it and return it. Okay, now we have declared our lambda expression, and this lambda expression is stored in x variable, and we can make use of it. And how can we make use of it? First of all, let's x, and let's add let's pass 5 to it as an argument, and let's see what we got in console window. Okay, we get 15, and if we take a look at what we are saying to compiler, whatever value pass to this lambda expression, add 10 to it and return to its caller. And here we have passed 5 as an argument, and this value is returned by adding 10 to it. Okay, now you have seen how can we write our lambda expression. Now there is another way you can make use of lambda expression. For example, in some function you want to use this lambda expression, and you can use it as x2 and x3. in this way we have make use of this lambda expression. You can even directly write this lambda expression into this function as an argument. Okay, now let's run our program, and here we get 25 because we have passed here 2, and this 2 becomes 12, and this 3 becomes 13. Adding 12 and 13 makes it 25, and that's how our lambda expressions work. Hope you like this video. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.